guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about a wash and go that I did with a super cheap product. It only cost £2 and I wanted to basically see whether I could get a decent wash and go out of this product. I showed you the results over 3 days, so if you would like to know what the product is and how I feel about it, then please keep watching. So I am just doing this wash and go to save a horrendous perm rod set that I just did that really did not work out the way I hoped. This is basically the result of it, a frizzy mess basically. So I'm actually doing this from dry hair and I'm just gonna re-wet my hair with my refresher mix, which I talked about in my last video. So I'm just gonna re-wet my hair with this. Or not re-wet, I'm just gonna wet it because it's dry. I did the perm rod set yesterday and this is the next day. So I'm just going to comb that through. So that's fully detangled now and it's looking back to normal. So the styler I'm going to use today is this Boots Curl Cream. This is Boots Essentials Curl Cream for natural control and defines. It says make the most of your natural or permed curls with this high definition styling cream. It controls and nourishes to smooth away frizziness, enhance shine and hold your curl without weighing it down. Use on damp or dry hair. Work through evenly from root to tip. So this cost £1.99, I believe. I got it quite a while ago now, and I've only ever used it when my hair was really short. It smells synthetic, obviously. That's how it looks. It's got a nice consistency. Yeah, it's a mix between a cream and a gel. Use about that much to start with. And I'm just gonna rake it through because that's how I do my wash and goes. Oh, it's quite thick actually. Oh yeah. I don't think I need to use that much. I use a bit less on this side. Yeah, it's very thick. You can see what it does to my hair. It really holds it quite well. We don't want any frizzy bits. And that's all I do, I just rake it through like this. That's how they're looking so far. I'd say this is really good. Well, so far it's obviously wet, but I don't know, those curls look pretty clumped. So I've got high hopes. Let's bring a bit more hair down. The trick is to use small bits at a time. So you don't want too much on each section, and I have to say it doesn't really distribute that easily. That's so good to get rid of that frizz. I might upload the footage of the perm rod set just so you can see how not to do a perm rod set. That's all applied. This cream is so thick, I think I need to just comb it through a bit because I can see big globs of it. And I want to get rid of those. So I am going to comb it through just on the top. But then I'm going to rake it through afterwards with my fingers like this to get back the clumped curls. Just want to make sure there is no frizz. Anyway, my battery is beeping at me. Well, it's not beeping, but it's flashing. So I'm going to charge the battery and let this dry, and then I will be back. So it has been about 5 hours. I've already oiled up my hands, and I'm now going to pick this out a bit. When I say a bit, I mean a lot, because it is feeling very stiff. I think you can tell on camera how stiff this is making my hair. I'm gonna actually scrunch it a bit to get some of the hardness out as well. It is a bit wet at the back, so I don't want to manipulate the back too much. It has clumped the curls really, really well. The definition is something else. I'm not actually going anywhere today or tomorrow actually. This hairstyle is really for the next day. So I feel like this is a wash and go that will last a long time, and I can imagine the best day of it being like the 3rd or 4th day. I mean, as you can see, the definition really is pretty special. It is looking fairly flat now. Why is that bit of hair really short? But yeah, as I said, it is a strong hold and it's very stiff, but I expect that to loosen up over the next 2 to 3 days. So I'll probably come back, well, I'll come back tomorrow and the next day to show you how it's holding up over time. So this is day 2 hair. It's looking so much better. You can see how defined the curls are. Today, they're much softer. So yesterday it was really defined, but it was really stiff and crispy and my hair was just really hard, and it's just really soft and bouncy, but the definition has remained, so that's really good. So far, day 2, and this £2 curl cream is really impressing me. I should get a lot more volume tomorrow, but probably a little bit more frizz as well. So I will check in tomorrow and let you know how it's looking then. Hi guys, so this is my hair on day 3. See, it is quite a lot more frizzy, but a lot more voluminous as well. Actually has a bit more frizz than I thought I was gonna get. So I am gonna refresh it to bring back a little bit of definition, especially like down here, like the back ends are kind of frizzy. So I am gonna refresh it. I'm just gonna refresh it in the same way that I refreshed it in my last video. So have a look at that if you want to know how I'm gonna refresh it, but I'll come back after I have done my refreshing. Okay, so that is it refreshed. I just redefined some of the sections. I left some of them alone, so there is still a bit of frizz in there, but I quite like the frizz for the volume. So here's just a little close-up of how the curls are looking on day 3. I think this little £2 product really did well for the fact that it only cost £2. It definitely gives good hold and definition and holds up after a few days. I would say you probably need to refresh it definitely from tomorrow. I could have probably left it today as it was if you don't mind a little bit of frizz, but I would say it definitely lasts 4 days without having to refresh it if you don't want to. So I think it's definitely worth it for £2. That concludes this video and I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!